Secrets in becoming an effective affiliate marketer. Nobody can sit down in a car and drive like a pro their first time. You're bound to grind the gears and smack a light post or two. That's just the nature of inexperience. The same holds true with affiliate marketing. You're not going to do well unless you have experience. Check out these tips from the experts and work to gain your experience. Make sure that you are helping your readers with your affiliate ads. Instead of looking like someone who wants to cash in on a sale using a list to get people to click on affiliate links, try be detailed with a review and then plugging the link into that. Put in some effort to get them to click on your ads. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. You can avoid hitting the proverbial light pole as long as you're working hard to learn about the business of being an affiliate. Affiliate marketing is unlike anything else on the web, so the tactics you use for other businesses may not work here. Use what you've learned in this video when success is your ultimate goal. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.